Hi guys, it's Nellie from Bee Planner Happy. Today we are going to finish up, well, I'm going to try and do 2 videos today where I finish up all of my October spreads for this year. So I have this one filled in. I have not filled this one in. This is the last video, the last plan with me that we did. And today I am going to start the week of the 21st. Now, I'm going to try and keep this one like really simple since I want to do 2 of them today. I wanted to try to kind of use up some of my my Halloween, stickers that I still have left over. So I have these that I printed from my shop. I've got these cute cat stickers because I don't know if you guys know. Here, let me move this up a little bit. I love black cats. I own 2 of them. I actually have 5 cats, but 2 of them are black. And I haven't done a black cat spread. So I figured I'm going to do a really quick black cat spread. It's going to be very simple. So I'm going to do this in parts so that you guys don't have to watch the whole thing. So the first thing is, these are some bat date stickers that I have left over. So this week starts the 21st. So I'm going to put a couple of these down and then I'll let y'all see. That one's a little upside down bat. That was the 21st. And then I'm going to pause it and then I'm going to do the rest and I'll be right back. Okay, so that got us started. We are going to use these days of the week stickers because I decided my next spread is going to be kind of colorful, and this spread I decided I was going to make it just orange and black. It's going to be actually my only orange and black spread because all of my spreads so far for Halloween have been very colorful, which is kind of a change. I remember last year I did a lot of just plain old orange and black. Okay, so I'm going to do these and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so we got the days of the week. And then I wanted to use, what else did I want to use? Where's my washi? I know I want to use this washi. This isn't the one I was looking for though. I think this one I'm going to put it across the bottom. I thought the color matched good and the color matched good. Oh, and it brought this orange kind of down here. So it helps me kind of frame the page a little bit. So let's put this one over here like this. Right. And then I am going to pause it again because I want to go get, I thought I had it here. Guess not. Hold on one second. Okay, it was this black diamond washi. Also, whoa, flinging stuff off the table. Also from my shop. So this one, I'm just going to put it right here. I'm going to start it off just to kind of make it a little bit dramatic up there. And I think I want to put it along the bottom too for sure. So let's just go ahead and start with these. And this one's just going to be called the orange and black cat spread. And again, I'm a little bit behind, but that's okay because this one is a memory planner. So I really don't need to be like 100% on time with this one. I do use, for like my everyday planning, I use a checklist layout. And to be honest, I don't do many plan with me's. I don't think have I done one? I don't even think I've done one. Maybe I have. I don't know. I can't remember. Do I want to go? No, I think I just want to keep it here. Because that one, I just write in a lot. So I need all of the space, and I decorate it just minimally. Typically, I'll just use washi. I'll use washi and then a couple boxes here and there, and maybe 1 or 2 decorative items. For me, that's what works on that, for that planner. Okay, so we've got the first part. I want to use these really cute cats. I don't remember where I got them. I want to say they came like in a pack. These kind of remind me of the size ones that I get at Target in their section where all of their cards are. They usually have stickers, and a lot of times they'll have really cute stickers. So let's just put the October up there. And these are boxes. Oh, did I cut these? Yeah, I did. Oh, I really don't like the sticker paper that I got. It tears way too easily. All right. let's see, what do I want to do? I don't have a whole lot of boxes, so let's just do like this. I'm gonna put that one there. And then let's do like a little cluster like that. And then we'll put a little kitty cat here and there. So today is actually the 1st of November. And tonight is my Halloween, not my Halloween party, but my sister's Halloween party that we go to. And I cannot wait to see my husband dressed up. He's dressing up as like a pharaoh. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so fun. I can't wait. All right, I'm going to try and mirror this, right? So this one I'm going to put here. This is a good way of, you know, when you're not sure how you want to put boxes or layouts and things like that. A lot of times I will just try to mirror, you know, kind of flipped and mirror each side. And it helps give the page balance, and it's kind of pleasing to look at, you know. It's not all confusing. At least that's what I think. So this one's going to go here like that. Okay. So do we want to add a cat now? Let's go ahead and add a cat. And then the other thing I want to do is, or I'm trying to figure out if I want to eliminate the orange at the bottom. I kind of do, I kind of don't. I tend to not like a ring, you know. But you know what? I said I was going to keep this one simple, so let's do that. Look at how cute this one is. He's like, whoa, what happened? He is cute. Okay, I think I want him here because he's kind of like looking back. So I think I'm going to put him just like that. Although he kind of looks like he's falling, huh? Maybe not. Okay. What other boxes? Let's see. So I'm out of the big boxes. I'm glad I put those like that. I've got 2 of these. So let's use one of each over here, kind of mirroring each other. And I could have printed more out, but I just, you know, you want to go through your stash and you want to use up what you got. So let's just do like this, and then we'll work around it. Let's put that one there. And then this one over here. There. And then we've got these smaller ones. Let's see. I think I'm gonna do like this. Then that one would go here. Actually, I think I need 2 of them. Let's do 2 right here. Let's do one there, and then let's do one right here. But if I'm gonna do some washi here, I gotta make sure that that'll work. Okay, let's see this one. What makes sense? Up here? So it's got a little extra piece here. Anyway, did you guys dress up for Halloween? What were you? I'm gonna be Cleopatra. And my husband's gonna be like a pharaoh king. And I promise to share a picture with you guys after the party. I think I want to put this, I don't know if I want to put it on top. Yeah, let's just put it right there. And I bought a wig. I've never worn a wig before. I have a lot of hair. I have no idea how I'm going to get all of this hair under that wig, because I have way more hair than Cleopatra ever had, that's for sure. Whoa. And I am not good at putting on makeup. And so I went to Ulta and I bought a little like eyeliner stamping kit, and I played around with it last night. Was it last night? Yeah, that was last night. And I think I'm gonna be able to make it work. I don't know. We'll see. You guys will find out. Okay, so I think that's it for the boxes. I'm gonna leave a lot of open space. This week, was it this week? Yeah, we went to go, oh, that's that same one. We went to visit our granddaughter. It was her 3rd birthday. Now look at this one, how cute looking up. Since he's looking up, I'm gonna put him down here like that. And this one that's laying down, I think needs to go right here. I like him better here. Though I really hate the white showing through. I think that's good. Okay, now over here, oh, I do want to use this Beware of the Cat. And I think there's another book that I might add a few things to. I feel like this needs more black, right? Like maybe I should outline it in black. Beware of the Cat. Let's put that there. And then we need a little kitty looking that way. This one. That's cute. I like that. Okay, I want to use some of these, just a couple of these cute little bats because they're outlined in orange. And I think I need to add, let's see, which cat have we not used? We've used this one, oh, but that one's looking that way. This one we haven't used. So let's put this one here. And actually we have a few of these little pumpkins too that are cute. It can go. I wonder if I should cut the bottoms off of these or just make it a little more flat. Let's do that. Put it right there. And then this one's so cute. We don't have this one yet. That one can go here. Okay. And oh, he looks kind of angry. If you can see that. He's looking over there like, you guys are dumb. Where's this one going to be? I feel like I need somebody up here, but it needs to be somebody laying down for sure. So I think what I'm going to do is, since I want this one looking this way, I'm going to put him right here. And then this one can go up here. Like this inside that box. Their cute little tail. Okay. So I think that's pretty good on kitty cats. I did want to do, let's see, for this side, I was thinking right here, I know this doesn't have anything to do with anything, but I kind of like this, and it's all one, so I'm going to have to cut it. But I really like that cauldron, so I'm just going to cut this right here, like that. And then I don't think that the pink matches, because remember we're doing a orange, or an orange spread, orange and black. So I'm going to cut that off. And it's going to go right here. So I think it's like the perfect size, perfect colors, and black cats and witches kind of go. So I do think we need somebody down here. So let's put this one. Let's put this kitty cat here. There. There we go. Very cute. And then we need something going on over here. So I still have these three. Let's try doing this. Let's put one here. And let's add one of these little bats here. And then let's do another one further down. If I can get it off the page. I wonder if I should have like some kind of saying there. Let's do that. Let's see, this is almost to this line, so let's do like that. And we need some kind of saying, like maybe a boo or something like that. Let's go ahead and put him over here, like that. And then we've got one more. Oh, this one's kind of torn. That's okay. Let's put this one here, cover up that stupid note thing. And we've got one more little bat. So let's put this bat right over the little tear. Okay, let me find a saying. It needs to be much smaller than that. Let's see. This is a teacher book. Let's see if there's anything in here. Hello, spooky season. Okay, let me go find something to put there. I'll be right back. Okay, I have this book. I got it at Joann's Art Journaling, and it's like seasonal. It's got a lot of cute stuff in it. But it's got this. I like that I put a spell on you. I think that'll be too big unless if I like just cut it. But I kind of like this little tricks and treats. And let's go ahead and just put this here. And then it's got this, when black cats prowl, pumpkins gleam, may luck be yours on Halloween. I'm going to use this. Oh, this is like a huge sticker. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it. Where's my little cutter thing? Here we go. Let's see if we can use this. Although this one that says tricks and treats also will probably look better and it'll be easier to cut. And it's got the little things like cat whiskers, but this one says when cats prowl. So let me just try. Let's try cutting it and see what happens. Let's do like this. And then here, hopefully that's straight. And then I'm going to cut it like a little square. Hopefully. Like that. And then like that. Be a little higher. Oh, that white's going to show, huh? Let's do like this. Okay, because that saying is kind of like perfect, right? Oh, if I can get it off of there. Kind of tore a little bit, but that's okay. Oh, that's perfect. Right there. Okay. And I'm happy with that. So that's that one. Do we need, kind of feel like we need a little bit of black along here. Hold on one second. Let me go get that. Okay, so I have this black skinny strip washi. Oh, look, I've got some smaller pieces too. I'm going to use that. So I think I'm going to do, I'll do under the line. It's just going to look better if I do like this. So let me go do that and then I will be right back. All I'm doing is I'm lining the black with the black and then you can see it. Okay, so I added the black along those lines right there and I really like how it came out. I also added this little pumpkin here, and then I'm thinking, I don't know, I have a few of these or a couple of these, so I just think they need to be put down somewhere. Let me just cut this little edge off like this to make it look a little more decorative. That's cute. Kind of like that one there. I think we need one up here. Let's just put one here like that. Okay. I did have 2 pages of this. Oh, here it is. And then it's got these little stars, but they're not cut out. I wish they were, because I would totally put them like up here or something. I don't want him up there all by himself. Let's put him here. That one. And these little kitties are just too cute. I'm going to put one more. I'm put one more right here. Let's put her right there. Okay. And I'm leaving this in the middle. I was thinking of doing like some little checklist, but maybe I'll do that when I go to fill it in. But for right now, I think that is pretty good. And I am done with this one. So I'm going to start filming my next video. And I guess I could have put them both together, but you know, when some people see one video that's too long, they won't watch it. I don't know. I'm that way. If they're too long, I'm just like, I don't have the time for that. Okay, but there's this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you'll watch my next one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.